How we doing, guys? I know course registration is coming up for you guys sometime in November. Um, and my first semester freshman year, I know I forgot how to register for courses, so I figured, why not show you guys just a little refresher because I know you did it at orientation, but it's kind of a while ago. So let's do that. So start by going to the browser of your choice. I'm gonna do Chrome here. Um, all right, and then from there, you're gonna go to MyQ. All right, bang, bang. I mean, you should. If you're not signed in, it'll ask you for your username and password. It's pretty much just what goes before your email and the password to your email and stuff like that. So do that. All right, and then you're gonna enter this screen. So what you're gonna do from here is scroll down a bit to self-service right here on this little side tab. Click on self-service, and then that's gonna take you here, guys. So once you're here, you're gonna go to this tab right here, student planning. Click on that. All right. And then from here, you're going to go to plan and schedule. You can also check your progress, but when we're looking at just course registration, we're going to do go to plan and schedule. All right. All right, here we go. So up top, it shows the semester you're looking at. So let's look at spring 2024. All right. What you're going to do now. So it's going to be registration day. It's time to pick classes. I recommend beforehand searching for courses in this top right search bar. And let's say you need to do accounting 211. You're going to type that in. And once you hit enter, it's going to pop up. Now, once it pops up, you click on this drop down, view available sections for AC 211. And it's going to show you what is currently available. This is just an example. It looks like those are empty, but I'm sure, I mean, obviously a lot of your classes are going to have much more slots than these do. Now, an important thing to note here is that on the left side right here, there are filters that you can do. And these are important because when you're constructing your schedule, if you want, a busier Monday or a busier Tuesday, Thursday, you can select the time range here. So, for example, let's say you want to do accounting on Monday. So check that box. Then you're gonna go back up to AC 211, and the filter has been applied. So you see these are all Monday, Wednesday, Friday classes. And let's say you like that, you're gonna click this blue Add Section to Schedule button. And this was just an example. It says it's full, and if it pops up red, that means it is full. Um, if it's green, that means you've been enrolled, and if it's orange, that means that it's just planned, or there's a wait list or something. You'll have to wait to figure out. So once you click um, that button to enroll in a class, you go back to the schedule, and it will appear there. Now, I messed up and did it for fall 2023, but that's really not important. You'll be in fall 2024 when you're doing the registration, and you go up there and click that arrow. So um, aside from that, when you let me just go to fall 2024. When it's the day of doing registrations, you are going to click this button that is currently grayed out, and there are a lot of people at this university that are gonna be clicking the button at the same time. So don't freak out if your computer's loading or the refreshing bar is gonna be loading for a while. Um, it's gonna happen. Hard to avoid it. But the best thing you can do is click. Some people say clicking this refresh button right here, about 3 seconds before your enrollment time is. So let's say your enrollment is at 8 o'clock in the morning. So at 7:59, 57, 7:59 and 57 seconds, that's when I recommend hitting either refresh up there or this refresh up there. Depending on who you ask, they'll say that one's faster, that one's faster. In my experience, it hasn't mattered, but so yeah, give 3 to 5 seconds before your enrollment time, hit refresh, and then that will light up blue. The register now will light up blue once the enrollment uh, period has began, and then once you hit that, if all goes well, all your classes that are planned here, like this, if all goes well, you won't see any reds. You'll see all greens. That means you've been enrolled. But if you see reds, that means the class is probably full. And then you would just have to, go back up here. You could go to accounting 211 again. And then, maybe make a new filter with Tuesday, Thursday, or different instructor. You can scroll down here on the left and um, select, maybe you've heard that there's a professor that's better than others or something like that. So the filter makes it really customizable, and you guys will do just fine. Everyone does it. The university is very helpful if there's any problems, and if there's a class that you really want that's full, you can email someone and get and potentially get on a wait list or something like that. So I'm gonna post this to our group chat and hopefully Blackboard. And you guys can also always come to my office hours with questions about enrollment if you have any. You can talk to me in class. There's resources out there, and people will be there to help you. But hopefully, this video helped out, guys. Make sure to like and just kidding. All right, so I'll see you guys in the next class, and good luck with enrollment.